What's good, YouTube? It's Aiden here. Hopefully this video will not be upside down. Again, I'm recording from my cell phone. It's just a little easier to do. But, I'm also in, not my car, I'm in my wife's car, but, I don't know, something about cars, I seem to open up more in cars. I don't know if it's maybe where I grew up. The only place that was really yours as, like, a teenager and through college and stuff is, like, your car. You know, the only thing you really own. But, yeah, so I wanted to make a video on, let's see if I can get comfortable here. I wanted to make a video on pretty much, alright, I'll just tell you what it's about, and that'll be the video. So, I went to the movies with my wife, and this may not seem like a big deal to many people, but it kind of is. Like, it was a big enough deal where I, like, made a mental note in my head of what had just occurred. So, we went to see, The Internship, and, like, it was a small little theater, and the whole theater was packed out. The only spots left, like, the only blank rows, were just sets of 4, and there was 2 and 2, and they were all the way up at the front, so it was the first row and the second row, so you're like this, looking up at the screen, okay? So, we're walking down the aisle, and I always like to sit in an aisle seat. I don't know, it's just how I like to do it. I like to sit in the middle, like the best seat in the house. Who doesn't want the best seat in the house, right? Paying all this freaking money to see a damn movie anyway. So, point is, I could have went to the right, but I didn't want to sit on the right side, because the right side wasn't going to be directly in the middle. It was going to be kind of over. I would have to look over there instead of like that. So, I wanted to sit on the left side. I didn't want to sit in the front row. I wanted to sit in the second row because it was the only row that wasn't, like, completely breaking your neck. So, point is, this guy who, you know, not to, like, judge the guy. He could have been a nice guy, but he had, like, his foot on the side, with his foot up on the side of the, so his foot was, like, almost in the seat. And the girl had, like, all of her candy and, like, a jacket in between the seats, like shoved in there so it wouldn't move. And, you know, so I just, like, looked at the guy and I said, you know, excuse me, we're going to sit here. So, like, they roll their eyes. He takes his foot off, like, all loudly and manly. And, I mean, you know, not to judge the people, but, I mean, they looked like, he looked like a tough guy, you know, like a badass guy. And, you know, he was an older guy than me, definitely older than me. And, so, like, they move their shit all, like, oh, my God, how dare him want to actually sit in a regular seat, you know what I mean? So, they move their stuff, and, you know, the girl says, like, they had to sit here. So, you know, whatever. We sat there anyway. The whole theater fills up, so pretty much they were proved, like, idiots, because somebody would have sat there. If it wasn't me, it was going to be somebody else, you know what I mean? The whole place was packed out. So, throughout the movie, you know, had popcorn. I went to put, like, the bag of popcorn down on the floor, like, reach down on the floor, and on my handle was his foot. So, like, I had accidentally hit his foot, because I went to put the popcorn down, and I looked back at him, and he just kind of went, like, and moved his foot off of the seat, like, the handle. But, you know, we left the theater, and I thought to myself, you know, like, this is the first time, you know, almost, I mean, 3.5 years on testosterone, passing for over 3 years, you know, this was the first time I actually, you know, to another guy, you know, didn't back down or whatever, or I just acted like a normal human, like I didn't let somebody else tell me, you know, where I was gonna sit, you know what I mean? Like, this guy's foot was there. So normally, if I had walked into that type of situation, as much as I would have wanted to sit on the left side where this guy's foot was, I would have sat on the right side in a spot, in a seat that I would not have liked. You know what I mean? I would have been, you know, I wanted to sit on the left side, but I would have sat, on the right side just because this guy's foot was there. You know what I mean? And so this was the first time I actually was like, you know what? No, like, I'm a human. What makes this guy's foot get a seat when I paid for my seat. His foot didn't pay for his seat. You know what I mean? So it was just nice. Like, I mean, I wasn't a dick about it. I mean, I didn't say anything rude to the guy. All I said was, excuse me, we're going to sit here. And then when I hit his foot, because his foot was on pretty much my seat, I looked at him like, you know, like one of these, like, you know what I mean? Like, move your foot, please. You know, and they just, you know, they had a little ball with it, you know. But it's just interesting how that was the first time, pretty much, in my whole life, even though it's not dramatic, nobody called me out and I stood up for myself and, you know, or I didn't save a kitten's life or anything, you know what I mean? But I just acknowledged that I was a freaking human being with a right to sit somewhere. I mean, it sounds ridiculous. It really does. Like, as I say it, I think like, wow, okay, what the hell's a big deal? But I mean, it's the first time I acknowledge myself as a full human, as somebody who deserves what other people have. You know what I mean? Like, and I think it's the little things, you know, like deciding that I deserve a seat that I paid for. You know what I mean? And not letting somebody else's intimidating looks, you know, make me move a certain way on the chessboard. You know what I mean? I sat where I wanted to sit. And like I said, it's not a big deal, but at the same time it is. You know, like I left the theater and I turned to my wife and I said, you know, just like playing with her, like I was like, yeah, I made him move his foot. We sat down. That's right. You know what I mean? And she was like, yeah, you made him move his foot. And I'm like, yeah, that's right. He moved his foot. You know what I mean? Like, it's silly, but it was the first acknowledgement, and I'm kind of proud of it, you know, as silly as it is, and I'm not going to probably share it with many other people, but I think, you know, this is a place to let those emotions out. So, you know, like, if you ever find yourself belittling yourself just because somebody else's looks or what somebody else thinks that they deserve and what you don't deserve, just remember that, like, you deserve just as much as they deserve. You know what I mean? He deserved to sit down in the seat that he paid for. Okay? He got there earlier, so he deserved to sit in the seat that he wanted it. That was available. You know what I mean? And then I came and I deserved the exact same right that he did, except I was a few minutes later, so I got a shittier option. But, you know what I mean? I got to sit in a seat that I should have sat in. I wanted to sit in, not because this dude over here tells me that his foot is there. You know what I mean? So, you know, not to babble on for 8 freaking minutes about, you know, sitting in a seat. But it was kind of a big deal for me, so I really, am proud of it. So, yeah, just sharing that with you guys. Sit in your own seat! As my voice cracks. Alright, guys. So that was a cool little thing. I'm going to start making more videos on my phone because I think it's going to make me make more videos. So hopefully this video uploads right and you can see me and all that jazz. And I'm not, like, upside down. Alright, guys. That's it. Peace.